Welcome back to the channel and to the finished video on our Citroen DS3 connected. This is the 1.2 PureTech with a 5-speed manual. If you've seen the first video, you'll see that this is a Cat S registered car due to rear damage to the tailgate, the boot floor, which has all been now repaired. We've also replaced the tailgate, replaced the crash bar and the bumper. The car has also had a new MOT. It's just been fully serviced and is now ready for sale. Moving on to the interior, it has been fully valeted as always. The car comes with such features as power steering, electric windows, electric mirrors. It also has cruise control with speed limit function, it has air conditioning, and it also has a touchscreen Bluetooth DAB radio system. Thank you as always for taking time to watch these videos. If you've got any questions on this car or any of our other builds, you can contact me in the comment section below, or you can contact me on c96rebuilds@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Once again, we do thank you, and we'll see you again in the next one.